Hey guys, Jared Coins here, back with another YouTube video of not coins or really any of that sort of stuff, but a really cool video of what is inside of this chest. Ooh, that's really blurry. Happy Friday to you guys. There we go. Happy Friday. I'm recording this currently at 9:34 p.m. and yeah. So let me just take that off. So what do you guys think is in this box? Well, if you think it's a typewriter, absolutely not. It is something that I have shown on this YouTube channel before. So let's open it up. It's super cool. And you guys see what is inside of it. Right there. That is awesome. Oh, haven't showed it yet. Alright, can you guys guess what's in it just by seeing the top? Well, if you haven't already guessed correctly, it is a sewing machine. This is a really good sewing machine. It is really cool and neat. Not gonna say how much I bought it for, but it is worth around $500 to $600. So yeah, let's see what we have going on here. Take this guy out. Let's actually look at the sewing machine. This sewing machine is a 1947 sewing machine. It's in very good condition. Hold on, let me get some here. Look at that Singer. Very nice. And condition wise. So yeah. Let me just show you guys this thing does work. It's in fully operating condition. It is extremely cool and awesome, and it is absolutely awesome. I am going to be reselling it to a teacher up in my high school. Now, I'm not going to be selling it to this teacher for a full price. Obviously, I'm just going to be selling it to this teacher for a very low price. I'm not going to give any specifics on that. But yeah, other than that, this is a really neat sewing machine. Let's get right into some of the other items of it. The rubber is still extremely good. So yeah, let's take this thing out. It's got a plug and a normal one. So yeah, it has come with quite a bit of goodies for us. Here we have the manual instructions for using Singer portable electric sewing machine 221-1. Lock stitches for family use with foot control. Awesome. So yeah, this is the entire instruction manual, dated 1947. Very cool. It's got all the different parts and pieces in it. Looks like it can be put into a desk of some sort. And that is actually how it's supposed to be bundled up. I did not know that. Interesting. Just by twisting it. Oh wow, look at that. There's the light bulb. Looks like it's gotten its fair use out of it. That's pretty cool. Take the light bulb out to replace it. Very, very neat. All different cool, different types of stuff that's come out for some reason. Different stitches that you can do, and I'm not showing you the book. Different stitches and all sorts of other things. I think that is the spacing. I'm not sure on any of this, really. But yeah, it's totally cool. Ballpoint machine needles. Did you catch the price on that? 80 cents. Singer ballpoint sewing machine needles, 95 cents. And what's this? Zipper cord foot, $1.49. So yeah, it's pretty much all it came with right there. Bring this over. It's got some pretty neat stuff with it. It's got these little spools that are kind of cool. Kind of look like movie spools. But yeah. Roll that back up. This one seems to be a mix, maybe. I'm not sure on really any of these spools, you know, of what they're really good for. We got this huge mess of a piece. I have no idea what that is. Got this. Interesting. Very interesting stuff, even though I have no idea what any of it does. Yeah. Different type of spool right here. And a letter. Interesting. It is a needle. Huh. Looks like we got... Ooh, I could actually use that. Some pink thread. Look at this. Wow. I think this is Remington, made in USA. USA. This might actually be for Remington sewing machines. Or typewriters. It's very neat. We got this little packet deal of some more those. Very interesting stuff. But yeah, this is all very cool. Put some of this back in there. But yeah. So I think that's really neat. I'm gonna use that. That's actually probably going to be used to take apart the sewing machine and dive more into it. So I'm probably going to do that now. But yeah, other than that, this has been super duper cool. We've learned some new things, got some new things, and yeah, I'm going to try to learn a little bit more about this before I sell it. And yeah, so it's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't already, please go down and comment, like, and feel free to subscribe. Woo. And don't forget to comment, like, and feel free to subscribe. I already said that. And also share this video on any social media via Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy your wonderful Friday. Hope you're watching this. Like, if there's any of you guys that are still in school or in college, maybe you just got done with classes. I'm personally in high school, so yeah. My guess is not a lot of younger people are watching this. If you're younger, as in like still in high school, please comment down below because I would really like to know. Because that'd be super cool, like what the age group of my viewers are. And if you're in college, let me know. And if you're out of college doing a professional something, like have a job and or have a life, comment that too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, hope you guys have a wonderful Friday. Jericoins out.